Hi, today we have Solomar here who has some mid-back pain in between her shoulder blades. And I know a lot of you have dealt with that before. So if you ever get sharp pain in between your shoulder blades or just tension, tightness, like it feels like it's restricted or stuck, those are usually the early signs. The sharp pain is usually the later signs when you've had it for a long time. So she is an assistant here at the office, and she just complained about it, and we're about ready to leave for Thanksgiving. So we want to make sure she's comfortable. And if you touch right here, you feel that? So we adjusted her yesterday, and typically with that it takes a handful of adjustments, 5 or 6 to clear out, and then some posture exercises. Now the reason why people get that in between their shoulder blades usually is because of poor posture on your cell phone. So when your head is forward like this, that's pulling all these muscles here in between your shoulder blades. So better cell phone posture would be helpful. So we're going to come in here and just loosen up the muscles through here and then adjust her. She's got an anterior subluxation, so we're going to have to adjust her face up. So really good exercise to strengthen this area. You can use cables, strengthen your rotator cuff muscles. Wall angels are really good to strengthen this area. Ultimately, in the beginning, you want to stretch it. So using a lacrosse ball in this area to stretch and then strengthening with exercises and getting adjusted. Nothing can replace that. So you'll have to get a handful of adjustments to clear that out, but then stretching and strengthening, and you should resolve. And then, of course, correcting your cell phone posture, how you're on your phone. Instead of the head down, put your hands up like that. So look at the difference between my head tilt from here to here. Okay, relax yourself. I'll show you when you come up, okay? Okay, take a deep breath in. Good. Now turn over on your back and slide down just a little bit. There we go, perfect. Okay. Cross your arms in front of you. Like this. Tuck your chin, deep breath in. Good, and blow all the way out. And that's the anterior adjustment, and slide all the way back. Check your neck before you go off for Thanksgiving here. But for those of you that have had that problem in between the shoulder blades, it's very common. It doesn't have to necessarily be because of being on the cell phone. It could just be because you have scoliosis in the middle thoracic spine, or it could be because you have a few subluxations in the thoracic spine that have never been corrected. Now they're creating some musculoskeletal issues for you. So definitely get that checked out, and a chiropractor is the best person to have that looked at. Relax here. Good. Okay, stand up, see how that feels. Okay, all right. Thank you, everyone. Thanks for tuning in. If you have any questions or comments, comment below. Thank you guys so much. If you got anything from this video, or even if you just like this view of the Empire State Building and the Chrysler Building, give me a like, and don't forget to subscribe. Appreciate you guys.